Hello again. In this video I'm going to show you how to use a plugin called Blog to Social to link all of your social accounts to your WordPress blog. That way when you post your WordPress blog, you're posting to all your social accounts at once, and it saves you the hassle of having to post to each individual account. So to begin with, I'm on the back end of my WordPress website. I'm going to go over to Plugins on the left sidebar, and I'm going to click Add New. In the keyword search, I'm going to put blog to social, and then I'm going to click on this one right here, blog to social, social media auto post and scheduler. I'm going to install now, and I'm going to activate. And now I'm going to head over to my dashboard. You'll see now on the left sidebar we have blog to social. So I'm going to hover over this, and I'm going to click on posts and sharing. Okay, you'll now see that all blog posts has been clicked on, and these are all of the blog posts that I have. Since I have a shop, it's actually picking up my product pages as well. So you're going to find the post that you want to share. You're going to click Share on Social Media. Since this is the first time that we've opened this plugin, it's going to have us connect to our networks. So I'm going to click Connect. And now I can choose whether I want to share on my Facebook profile or Facebook page, Twitter profile, Instagram, Pinterest. You have a whole list of things that you can share on here. So I'm going to say page for Facebook. It's going to prompt me to sign in. It's going to ask me if it's okay to take all my information. I'm going to say yes. It's going to ask me to pick a group. I'll say the Mindful Merchants. We're going to authorize. All right, and now it creates an automatic post for you. So it draws data from your featured image and from your blog. If everything looks good, you can share it. You can share now. You can schedule for a specific date. Actually, these are premium features, so if you wanted to pay for the plugin, you could schedule for specific dates. If you're just doing the free version, then you can only have the option of sharing now. But that's still fine. So I'm going to share now, and you'll see that it was successfully published. You'll see now when we go over to Facebook that my Mindful Merchants House of Marley post, my blog post, was posted on Facebook. You'll see it was posted 1 minute ago. So there you go, a quick and easy way to post your blogs from WordPress onto all your social networks. Now remember, this is a sort of fast and easy way, so if you need to customize certain images for Pinterest, they might not necessarily look exactly the way you want them when you share through this plugin. But if you're just trying to get content out there and pushing everything, this is a great way to do it. So I hope that was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks.